A boy just texted me and I'm already distracted from my getting my life together mission. Oh, I literally hate myself. Today I'm planning to take an everything shower and I ran out of my conditioner. I've been using the Amika Hydro Rush Intense Moisture Conditioner for a while and I never got the shampoo, but I feel like these two together will be really good. I am just so excited to take a shower today. Y'all, I'm so excited to just get my life together. Like, I really need to. I deleted Instagram, I deleted Snapchat. I'm not gonna talk to any boys unless they text me. I don't need to be prioritizing that right now. I think I need to remember to prioritize Jesus. I'm literally gonna do a Bible study right now before I have lunch. Guys, I love Amika products because they're always so colorful. This is not sponsored, but Amika, please sponsor me or send me PR. I don't want to be TMI, but I just want to show you guys the extent to which my life is a mess right now. I currently use 2 rooms. This is my sister's room. Bed not made. Random stuff all around. And then I've started using my bedroom as a storage closet. Clothes all over my bed. I asked my mom to find my swimsuits, so she found them. Bro, there's a specific like blue swimsuit that I don't know where it is. Whatever. That one wasn't appropriate anyways. I got back from LA over a week ago, and this is still here. Excited for college, but I'm trying to stay patient and enjoy the moment because I noticed myself ever since I committed to USC. I started talking to a lot of other USC students over social media, meeting up with people in person, and it is really exciting, but I should enjoy my time with everyone in Massachusetts and really focus on that. I feel like I'm not pursuing God's purpose for me. I'm not. I'm trying to go to New York City this summer, so I'm gonna plan out a rough list of the things that I want to do while I'm in New York. Part of this leveling up and elevation journey is learning how to clean up after myself. And I don't mean just like keep a clean room, but I mean have habits of cleanliness and have habits of organization. So my typical habit if I come home from a late night out is I just keep all of my stuff like in my bag and then deal with it the next morning. And I'm not saying that this is a terrible strategy and it's totally okay if this is the way that you operate, but tonight I'm actually going to clean up all my stuff and prepare my day in the morning so that I can get started tomorrow on a very productive note. And yes, I'm always wearing some USC merch, but I had so much fun tonight. I hung out with my friend Kelly and we cooked food, took Instagram pictures. I wore this cowl sweatshirt while I was cooking and hanging out with Kelly, and I'm gonna be productive, fold it and put it into my dresser of all the clothes that I've already organized. I'm actually gonna try to keep my closet organized. Once I organize my closet, I realized how many nice pieces I have, so I'm super excited about that. I'm excited to be in this organized girl era, okay? This housewife era. I'm just kidding about that. Let's clean up this bad boy. I put my lipstick in here. I always lose my lip products, and I love lip products. 담담하게 I really like this top, but I accidentally got it dirty when I was eating dinner. And I'm trying to be a more like polished woman, you know what I mean? So I think I'm actually gonna change my top. And this fit was so cute, you know? Y'all are gonna be so proud of me. 1 second. Actually putting my clothes away. I feel like I have such a bad habit of when I'm like changing clothes, I just throw them on my bed. But I wanna be better at proactively putting things back in their place. So I'm gonna put all of these in my drawers. I am going to start my morning Bible study. When it comes to getting back into a routine with studying my Bible, I honestly think what works best for me is just making sure I study the Bible sometime during my day and not necessarily in the morning. Maybe it's just because I'm struggling with my discipline, but I've been finding it really difficult to wake up really early in the morning. So I just make sure whether I have a free block at school or it's after school, I do my Bible study. It's just helped me to put less pressure on having this perfect morning routine. Like I've never marked up a Bible page this much. Literally never underestimate the power of a clean room because I just feel so much more at peace now. I'm gonna be so real with you guys. I have not really studied at all senior year, but today I'm gonna try to lock in because in 2 days, I have my AP Government exam. My AP Gov class, oh my gosh, we move so slow. Like, I don't even know if we learned enough for the exam, but I'm gonna try my best to just review Supreme Court cases, review the different powers of the different branches of government, and practice some free response questions because that's what I'm most nervous about. Before I start studying, I want to clean up the back of my door. Like, I just feel like there's some hoodies I don't really wear here. And then I have this random hanger. I'm ready to study now.
Republican-style government for a large nation like the United States.
I've studied for a total of maybe 45 minutes and I'm already done. Like mentally done, not actually done. But I'm gonna watch a vlog from Caroline Manning. Love her videos. I haven't watched them in a while, so I'm gonna catch up. My goal is to study maybe 2 more hours of Gov today. We're in our soft girl era. I just took my AP Gov exam today and I think it went well. I think I got at least a 4, and for University of Southern California, my college, I just need a 4 or above to pass and to be able to get credit for that class. So I will let you guys know in the summer if I ended up getting at least a 4. I kind of want to touch up my makeup and add some false lashes on. Let me show you guys my false lashes. I'm actually really excited about them. So I bought these maybe a month ago and they have a pretty natural look to them, but I struggled so much with putting them on. But one of my friends told me to just cut them into little pieces and put them on like strip by strip. So that's what I've been doing with these and it actually works so much better for me. So I'm gonna add these onto my eyelashes so I can get more of a full look. I have not been going to the gym recently, I'll be so for real. I always get out of whack when I go to LA because I don't work out while I'm in LA. I just do a lot of walking and then I come back home and I'm not really motivated to work out. I don't know, I'm not really that mad about myself for it because sometimes in the summer I get unmotivated to work out because it's like I'd rather just walk outside, hang out with friends. I don't feel like lifting. Like I enjoy lifting, but I'm definitely not like a gym girl, if you know what I mean. Not a gym rat, that's for sure. And I feel much more content right now, like not being in a space where I'm like trying to lose weight because I just don't think that's like a good energy for me to be in. I feel like every single time I've lost weight, it's without trying, but when I try, it starts to get toxic and it never works. Let's head to Target. So I can't get over the lashes. I think you guys should know my hair is not naturally this straight. I got the permanent Japanese straightening treatment. So my mission at Target is to 1, get a water bottle, and then 2, get a body scrub, and also just look at some miscellaneous self-care items. I'm gonna get a scented body lotion that's like vanilla scented. I used to kind of not like vanilla, but I think vanilla is so cute. Like girls that smell like vanilla are low-key cute. I love the Benefits. What is this even called? I literally don't know. The brow wax. Told you guys that I'm looking for a vanilla body lotion and I think this is what I'm looking for. I feel like this is like icky vanilla. You're kidding. This is so cute. Like the pink and white, but it's way too small.